In this video, I want to share the simple signs I use to understand whether a plant needs to be repotted. I will check leaves and stems, the soil, the pot, the roots, and the way the plant reacts to watering. So if you want to know how I decide whether it's time to repot a plant, let's check it together. So here is my checklist: time, plant size, the leaves, their size, color and growth, the soil and the pot, the roots. In the case of this plant, the last repotting was 2 years ago, which is quite a long time. We can also see that the crown is much larger than the pot and the plant has become unstable. This is one of the signs I consider. As you can see, the older leaves are significantly bigger than the new ones. The new leaves are smaller and their color is also paler. The difference in color is not the deciding factor by itself. The new leaves are often lighter and become darker later. But together with the smaller leaf size, for me, this is a clear sign that the plant may not have enough space, especially for a large and fast-growing plant. We can also see that most of the large older leaves have died. This is not proof by itself either, but together with the other signs, it makes me think that the plant needs more space and fresh soil. The soil looks very old and crumbly, and the surface is covered by white deposits. Sometimes the opposite happens, the soil becomes very hard. But both situations can create the same problem: soil it doesn't absorb water properly. The plant needs to be repotted more and more often, while the water doesn't stay in the pot and drains into the saucer too quickly. In this case, a plant would probably benefit from fresh soil. I can see salt marks on the pot. These deposits are also often visible on the inside of the pot. This is not terrible by itself, but it shows that the plant and the soil have not been refreshed for a long time. Now let's check the roots. No roots are coming through the drainage holes, which is a good sign, but for example on this other plant, the roots are grown out of the pot, a clear sign that it needs more space. So let's summarize. In this case, several signs appear together. It has been 2 years since the last repotting, the plant has become unstable, the new leaves are smaller, and the old soil no longer holds water well. So I think it's time to repot it and give it a fresh soil. In the next video, I will show you how I repot it. Subscribe if you would like to follow my real plant care journey in the ordinary apartment.